But I think he hit the boundary up there. Yeah, he hit the boundary.
Oh, yeah, he went right where I went.
Oh, you got 2 more minutes, Marlon. Don't kill it. You got a judge that'll get it.
I say stop progression.
Yep. All right.
In you go.
Oh, easy, Judge.
Honey.
No, you can't go back. You gotta go. You gotta go forward. Yeah, nicely done.
I know I could have made it to the rock right there.
Looking good, Marlon.
Oh!
I got it.
Good luck. You got this, Marlon. I'm smart. Oh, Marlon, that's it, brother. Ah.